to be outside enjoying these last few weeks of glory, right, Mark?
Last few weeks of glory. Look at us, we're in mid-August here. I mean, going into September, fantastic weather, historic downtown. What a better setting. And
Bistro
we're outside of my restaurant.
1907.
We're in the test kitchen.
Mark Canzonetta. We are in the test kitchen. And he is teaching me how to say words for that I've never even heard before.
Yes, yes, yes. You want to say achiote?
Achiote?
Which is a spice that comes from, it's a seed actually, that comes from the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico.
Okay.
And we're going to season our chicken with that. It comes from the anano seed. And then we're going to make a salsa molcajete.
Molcajete.
And molcajete is the bowl that you see in Mexican restaurants, traditionally made from lava rock.
Oh, okay.
So you can get in there and grind all those things together. So
All
we're going
right,
to
very
make
good.
chicken and salsa, and then we're going to make a really cool cocktail after that.
Sounds good.
All right, so we're going to start. We're going to get some vegetables on the grill because I want to do a roasted tomato salsa. So I have these beautiful tomatoes, of course, the one and only Molnar Farms out in Poland, Ohio. We're going to get those on the grill.
As long as
get
you're
some
mentioning
char on
people,
them.
Youngstown Propane.
Yes, absolutely. Youngstown Propane.
Our good friends out there. Thank you so much for getting us a grill and letting us get it all messy, right?
Absolutely. So we have some red pepper, beautiful red peppers, again from there, poblano peppers. Beautiful poblano peppers. Got a little bit of spice to them. All the peppers this year are a little bit spicy, a little bit hot. You find typically when you have dry and hot, you have spicy peppers. When you have wet and chillier, you have peppers that aren't quite as hot.
Makes
a little
sense.
bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some olive oil. The salt, again, to draw out all the moisture. And we're just going to put those on and get those nice and happy. We're going to get some nice char on there, develop those flavors, caramelize the flavors. Now we're going to get that Achiote chicken. Okay. Some extra virgin olive oil.
On the plate.
On the plate. And be liberal with it. Some sea salt. Some lime juice. Because we love lime with Mexican spices. It's so great. I'm going to put those limes on there because we can use those later on.
Why not, right?
Why not? Some chives. The ground anano seed. Put that in here.
That's what
and we have some
achiote?
chili lime seed. Yes, some achiote. Some chili lime dust. Now we're going to take those chicken breasts. You can do chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever makes you happy. And we're going to take those and we're going to just put them in there. We're going to put them on the grill.
Mark.
Thank you, Lauren. You guys all make me happy. What a great talented team you have with your staff and team.
Thank you. We've got a lot of people out here making
So we have the chicken on the grill. We're going to develop some flavor, caramelize those sugars. We're going to roast down our vegetables. We're going to make a great salsa. We're going to make a spicy margarita afterwards.
Do we close the grill?
We can close the grill, but I think we're going to leave it open.
Okay, sounds good. We'll be right back.
All right. So,
all right, Mark.
You ready to make some salsa?
I am. I was born to make salsa.
I know. Look how beautifully these vegetables have caramelized down and grilled. We got some char on there. We got some, we've concentrated the flavors because of the roasting and some of those liquids have come out. So we're going to take these beautiful tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
It all goes in the blender.
It all goes in the blender.
In the Vitamix.
In the Vitamix, just like this. All right. Have the beautiful, we added some corn to that because we want to put some corn with the dish. We have our beautiful fire-grilled Achiote chicken. We're going to put that on there. We're going to put some of the beautiful roasted corn on the plate.
Look at this dish. So many colors.
So many, and that's what Mexican food's all about. It really is about colors and flavors. We're going to put some cilantro, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, some black pepper, and we're going to toggle this down. We're going to make it happy and bring all these beautiful flavors together. It's that simple. So we're making kind of like an Italian salsa, but Mexican style. So all these flavors, I'm just gonna stop that for a second and push this back down.
Stir it up a little bit.
Stir it up a little bit.
Make it a little bit easier.
There we go. There we go. Now all these flavors are coming together. Exactly. So now we have that beautiful salsa. My God, smell those flavors, that brilliance from the cilantro.
It's so good.
And we're just gonna put that over the chicken like so. Salsa molcajete. You can see a little bit of the char dust in there. Put this off to the side.
Very
I'm going to garnish this with a little bit of cotija cheese, which is like a Mexican feta over the top. Some toasted pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds. We're going to put that down in front. Look at that gorgeous summer festival.
And you're going to come over here and we're going to make the perfect drink to go along with it, huh?
Now we have to have a great drink to celebrate those Mexican roots, and we're going to make a Fresno chili margarita. Some ice in your shaker cup. I love a great Blanco tequila for this. So about 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, about 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau, which is like an orange liqueur.
Okay.
We're gonna take 2 ounces of blood orange puree, a little bit of Fresno chili simple syrup, give it a little bit of spice.
Oh, I can
Right?
smell it. Sorry, I just
A little bit of house-made sour mix.
Around your hands.
That's
Sorry.
okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so excited.
We're gonna take this and we're gonna shake it up and bring all those beautiful flavors together.
Shake, shake, shake.
Now I took that glass and I dusted it with chili lime. And we're just gonna pour that over the top now.
Mark, you have done it again. And the beauty of being outside is that that's just easy to clean up right there.
So it is. So I forgot that this was in front. So we're just gonna have you have a sip of that.
Well, cheers to you.
Cheers.
My friend.
All right, we'll go like this. Mm-hmm. Oh boy.
You are
A little bit of spice.
You are a marvelous
The
chef.
tartness from
You
the
so
blood
good.
orange. We have
And
this
all of
beautiful
this.
summer ode to summer here.
Thank you.
And just beautiful day to be out on the patio
At
in
Bistro
downtown
1907
at
in the
Bistro
test kitchen. And thank you to Molnar Farms as well as our friends at Youngstown Propane.
And of course, the Doubletree Hilton.
Right, I was gonna say, if you haven't been here yet, get down because it's gonna be great.
It is.